Welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya, and for today's video I really want to start a series of making discontinued chocolates or snacks from South Africa, because now and again you get a bit nostalgic and you miss having things from your childhood. For instance, for today's video I'm going to show you how to make chocolate lugs. These were one of my favorite things as a kid and well into my teens and adulthood, and unfortunately it has been discontinued. You do get similar products in South Africa still, but no one can replace the original chocolate log. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make that start to finish. I even make my own wafers, I'll have you know, so spoiler alert, in the video you're going to see how I make my own wafers. You can of course use store-bought wafers. I just wanted to make from scratch a wafer just to see what the experience would be like, since I've never made wafers from scratch before. I thought it would be very difficult. With a bit of trial and error, it turned out to be quite an easy process. Just to have lots of patience. So in the video, since I made my own wafers, I thought I would cheat a little bit and buy some store-bought marshmallows. I have made marshmallows in the past. I'll link that video up above. It will be somewhere up here and you will see it was years ago, but I have made my own vanilla marshmallows, and you can follow that recipe to also make them, and so you can make your own marshmallows then. But yes, in this recipe I made my own wafers, but I did use store-bought marshmallows to make this recipe. But to continue with this series, please put in the comment section below what childhood snack from South Africa, or maybe other countries, but since I'm South African, I only know South African childhood snacks that have been discontinued that you would like to see me recreate. So please put them in the comment section below, and who knows, I might pick your comments and remake your childhood snack. Please don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe, and onto the video.